Morning everyone, it's Mr. Allen for our golden ticket and our shout out assembly. It's Friday the 26th of June and we're here ready for Key Stage 2. We're year 3, 4, 5 and 6. Just before I go on, obviously lots of you enjoying this beautiful, beautiful weather. So just please make sure we are drinking lots and lots of water. When we are going out, we're applying lots of sun cream and we're reapplying that. Wearing a cap as well. Please be really safe in this weather. It's going to be really, really hot into next week as well. Lovely to see you outside and getting exercise and being, but please do that in a safe manner without getting burnt. Make sure you are looking out for each other. Make sure you're applying sun cream. You're drinking plenty of water, please, guys, okay? Because I would hate to see anyone getting burnt or anyone becoming ill because of the heat. So please, let's look out for each other, look after each other, keep drinking plenty and applying that sun cream, right? Starting off then, this morning in year 3, we've got lots of shout outs again this week. You've been working so hard. And look at Miss White's superstars. Look at these. Tyler, Ruben, we've got Michael, Oliver, Lily Louise, Amelia, Ria, Lila Grace, Blake, Ivor, Dylan, Gemma, Harry and Claudia. We've even got Michael, look at him. His birthday cake. Look at that cake. Ah, Michael. Oh, that looks delicious, hey? Celebrating his birthday there. But again, throughout, look at you guys. Lots and lots of smiley faces, whether you are doing work, the certificate, look at either certificates there. Whether you're out as well doing exercise, getting outside, getting healthy, getting fit, it is phenomenal. I know Miss White found it really difficult this week to choose your golden ticket winner. But this week, it goes to none other than Sophie! Here she comes, spiraling in, look at that. Science experiments, like, nice to see that. Safety goggles on, ready to wear, okay? Lots of helping out in the garden, lots of work, loads and loads of different things you're getting out and about. Washing up as well, doing your chores, it's fantastic to see. So you so deserve this, and I know you've been helping out loads and doing lots and lots of work. So, Sophie, this is really well deserved. Watch out, the postman's bringing it today, so look out for it in the post. Congratulations. Moving on, Mr. Ackermans, here we go. We've got Kieran, we've got Reggie, Alicia, Mia and Oliver, all again, working hard, reading lots, getting out, doing exercise, making sure, doing some science experiments, baking again, lots of Kieran. You've been doing so much baking, buddy, honestly. We'll have to see that. So when September comes, hopefully, we'll get some of that baking. We'll try some of those cakes that you've been practicing on, okay? But Mr. Ackerman's golden ticket goes to, this week, Jessica! Here she comes, sparring in. Look at that. She's got her golden ticket there. So much reading you are doing, reading every single day. So much work as well that you are posting. I know Mr. Ackerman's so impressed with you. You so deserve this. Jessica, it's fantastic, nice smiley face as well, but working so hard, getting so much done, so much reading. I think you're reading every single day and reading lots and lots, so please, well done. Look out for this, it's coming today. You really do deserve it, so well done, Jessica, you superstar. Moving on to year 4. Look at this. Miss Barrett superstars. Look how many superstars again we've got. We've got Erica, Freya, Milana, Oliver, Connor, Ashton, Adriel, William, Amelia, Logan, Martin and Kieran. All of you working so hard. You see, Miss Barrett is so impressed with you. The amount of work that you're doing, the maths, the English, times table rock stars, all of those, spelling check, all the different things that you're doing. William there had his birthday this week as well, William. Okay, so happy birthday as well for this week, buddy. But it's really lovely to see you guys getting out and about with your siblings as well, getting on really well. Kieran there on his bike as well, just cycling in there with his helmet on, staying safe as well. So really good to see that. But what I can tell you is that Miss Barrett's golden ticket goes to Connor! Here he comes! Look at that. Look at that face of concentration. Hey? He has been working so hard. I'm going to keep talking about reading. Look at this reading every single day, Connor. You so deserve this. Miss Barrett was so impressed with you, buddy. Look out for this. I'm so proud of you. It's coming in the post today. Well done, Connor. Really proud, buddy. Moving on. Mr. Pinners. Look at Mr. Pinners' superstars again. Look at all these superstars. Josh, Dragos, Amelia, Courtney, Cornelius, Colby, Zane, Janisa, Bianca and Gracie. And there's Colby with his golden ticket. Well done for last week, Colby. It's fantastic, buddy. But again, all of you working so hard. I know Mr. Penn is really impressed with you all. The writing, the maths that you're doing, fantastic. And lots of really smiley faces, so well done. But Mr. Penner's golden ticket goes none other than Joshua. Here he is. Look at that. Now, Joshua, even on Class Dojo, Mr. Pinner put something on there and the link didn't work. Joshua was straight on to Mr. Pinner saying, tried this, Mr. Pinner. The link doesn't work, so Mr. Pinner had to correct it. So Joshua, well done, helping out Mr. Pinner there. You so deserve this though, buddy. You are working so hard. Mr. Brennan is so impressed with all of the work that you're doing and all the help you're giving him as well. So look at this. It's coming in the post today, buddy. So really well done, Joshua. Keep it up. Fantastic. Moving on to year 5. We've got Mr. Healy. Look at these. Kyle with his maths there. Edric, Cassandra, Millie, Lewis, Scarlett and Jeffrey. Lots and lots of smiley faces. Edric, I'm loving your construction as well with your spaghetti and your marshmallows. That looks phenomenal. That looks really tricky to do, so really well done. And it looks like it's supporting itself as well, so brilliant. Carl there with his maths, doing lots and lots of maths throughout, okay? So all of you working so hard. Lots of smiley faces as well. Really well done. But the golden ticket for Miss Healing this week goes to none other than Millie! Look at Millie. Absolutely. Thumbs up, Millie. You so deserve this, hun. You've been working so hard. Keep posting on Class Dojo. Keep doing working so hard. Really positive attitude to that as well. And keeping up with your reading every day. So look out for this, Millie. Really well deserved, hun. It's coming in the post today. Okay, well done. Moving on. Now, Miss Musselwhites. Again, look at these. Look, we've got Leon. We've got Connor, Tedas, Emily, Jamie, Julia, Mason, Amelia, and Lola. Just, guys, smiling, working hard, keeping up that real positive attitude, getting out, getting exercise, lots of baking, lots of cooking going on. All of you working so hard and really concentrating on that work. And I know Miss Musselwhite is really proud and impressed with all that's going on. But the golden ticket for the second time in lockdown goes to Angel, who's won it before. This is your second golden ticket, Angel. I am so proud of you, hun. You so deserve this. So deserve. Miss Musselwhite is so proud of you. She said you are working so hard every single day. Your attitude to it is phenomenal. Here we are, smiley faces, head down, working so hard. Angel, you really deserve this. We'd love to see you on Class Dojo with both your golden tickets. Well done. Postman is coming today with this. Well done, Angel. Keep it up. Moving on to year 6, here we go. Alyssa, Shay, Tia, we've got Radna, we've also got Leona, Olivia Marie and Bethany as well, who are having shout-outs as well. We haven't got pictures of them, but they are working so hard. Look at this work, look at that reading. Look, Alyssa, I know, has completed her reading record. Tia's getting through hers as well, because everyone is reading every single day, so please give up. But the work that's going on, look at Radna's, her maths is phenomenal. And Shay is getting all oily and greasy there and helping out. Fantastic, because that's what we keep saying. Helping out at home, helping around the house, outside as well, helping with our siblings. The golden ticket, though, this week goes to Amy. Here she is, look at that. And I know Amy has been incredible help, helping out with watering, doing gardening, doing so much there, as well as look at the baking and cooking up. I'd be smiling if I made those as well, so it looked fantastic. But the work, reading, all the work that you are doing, really well deserved, Amy. Postman's bringing that today, all right? So really well done. Fantastic, hun. Moving on. Here we go. We've got now in Miss Percy's, we've got Crystal, we've got Maria, we've got Mia, Tobias, Rachel, working so hard. Tobias, look at those flapjacks. Seriously, you guys, you need to stop posting those food because it just makes me hungry. It just makes my mouth water. It looks fantastic. But even Rachel, big smiley faces. Big smile. Maria, the work, the handwriting is superb. And Mia, they're doing maths like old sort of SATs papers. It is brilliant. Everyone working so hard and getting lots and lots of it right. But what I can tell you is the golden ticket this week goes to none other than Maria. Here she is. Look, again, cakes, more cakes. Oh, what are you doing to me? It's fantastic, you guys. Really well done. But Maria, the work that you are doing as well is brilliant. Reading every day. So proud of you guys, so impressed. Really well deserved. The postman should be delivering that today, Maria. So brilliant work, hun. Fantastic. Keep it up. Thank you. Finally, just leaves me to say, obviously, keep up all this amazing work, guys. It is absolutely amazing. Positive attitude, staying safe and healthy. Next shout out and Golden Assembly you'll see is Friday the 3rd of July. Until then, stay safe, everyone. Bye-bye now.